Hello, welcome to the course of Strategic Management. I am Syed Mohammad Riazul Haq. Welcome to this course. And we are going to study a different type of strategies that we use in evaluating any industry or when we want to make or formulate a different strategy for the purpose of succeeding in our market or competing in the market with the competitors. As a being of a strategist, you have a big responsibility that how you will formulate a new strategy. In today's class, we will see a different kind of comprehensive framework, especially we talk about the comprehensive framework for strategy, in which we will see and understand the way how in the process of formulation of a strategy, how we evaluate with a different kind of matters. First of all, we will see the comprehensive framework of a strategy, and then you will see that how this strategy can be organized, made, implement, and evaluate. We are going to discuss, we have, or perhaps we have already discussed and teach about different kind of matrices, which is used basically internal assessment, like EFE matrix, IFE matrix, and CPM matrix. You will see the competitive price matrix. Similarly, when we talk about the comprehensive framework, so we have three stages: stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3. So what is basically the stage 1? If I make here that there are three triangles, and you will see that is called the stage 1 triangle. And basically in stage 1, we will talk about input step. Input, that is all called the input stage. Similarly, we have another triangle and third triangle. So if you look here, and you will see this is basically the stage 2 of the comprehensive framework of strategy in stage 2, and this is stage 3. So stage 2 is called the matching stage. Matching stage. And stage 3, that is called the decision stage. Decision stage. So how, when we see in the comprehensive framework, so you will see we have a three type of stages: stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3. So you will see that what is included in the stage 1 and what type of matrices and strategies the strategists use to formulate strategy, how they do, and what will be their work in stage 2. And similarly, at the last, we will see about the discussion of the stage 3, that is basically about the decision stage. And then we will again conclude all of this. So first of all, we will see our contents. In today's lecture, what we have in the contents, and then little we will define all these stages, and we will see what are the kind of matrices we are going to learn today. Even in today's lecture is so big, but I will conclude in a briefly way to make you understand as well. And once again, I would like to refer the same book, that is David R. Fred, Strategic Management. You will get the 16th edition or 12th edition, 7th edition, whatever is the edition, but the work of you is to study, read, understand. It's the first topic of the chapter, that is called the strategy analysis and the choice. And for example, who will do, basically in today's class, we are going to discuss about the alternative strategies plan that should have the strategies. But who will participate in making the alternative strategy plan? So the managers and the employees who were present at the time of developing the mission and the vision and the mission statement, and they were also the part of developing or formulating the vision and the mission. So these are the managers and the employees who knows about the vision and mission. They will be as a part of this activity. Similarly, the alternative strategy derived from the vision statement, the mission, and the objectives, and external audits and internal audits, and past successful strategies. Whatever you have done so far in your organizations, you have a report and you have thoroughly a case study, and you know that what were the strategies that you apply, implement, and then you get success in your target and you achieve your targeted goals and achievement that make your program, make your organization towards the success path. So the past successful strategies always is necessary for developing the alternative strategy derived from. So these are the basically the practicing in generating alternative strategies should be as broad as possible. And these are the basic content, we can say the core areas, the vision, mission, objectives, external audit, internal audit, and past successful strategies. By these things, we will see how we can formulate and check our new strategies according to the circumstances, phases during during operation time of the organization. And these are the triangle that I was telling you, basically a comprehensive strategy formulation framework in the stage one that's called the input stage, and stage two, the matching stage, and stage three, of course, is the decision stage that we are going to study for today in a detailed form. So it means that the matrices we will see here in the input stage, like if I write here, you will see. Let's talk about the input stage. Input stage, that is the stage one. So here there are three matrices for evaluation, like the internal factor evaluation matrix that we call IFE, internal factor evaluation matrix, that is called IFE. Number two, and we have studied this matrix also, external factor evaluation matrix. Factor evaluation matrix, EFE, and we have studied EFE, and also we have done assignments regarding the EFE matrix, and we did the for the matrix for your university, for your organization. So that is already you have done this. And competitive profile matrix, that is called the C. Competitive profile matrix. Competitive profile matrix, that is called CPM. And these three matrices we have already studied about these three matrices basically. And these are basically the external factors evaluation in which we see and understand competitive profile matrix that we have done this lecture in our previous classes. So basically these are the three processes to evaluate the position of your organization, internal and external, and here are the factors that influence internal and external. And these are the part of the input stage in CPM matrix. Similarly, in the matching stage, we have, in the second stage, we have basically, also there are some methods to understand. Like in the second stage, that is called the matching stage. matching stage, and we have number one, the SWOT matrix. Number two, we have here the space matrix, and we will see what are the SWOT of the space individually. Space matrix, and similarly, number three, we have the BCG matrix, that is called also the Boston Consultant BCG matrix. Number four, we have similarly IE matrix. And number fifth, grand strategy matrix. Grand strategy matrix. So one by one, we will see what are these and how can you do the complete this matching stage. SWOT matrix. When we talk about the SWOT matrix, this we are talking about the matching stage. In the matching stage, we have SWOT, strength, weakness, opportunity matrix. So how we will make this matrix? So you will see here, we have to make one row, similarly two rows, and shall I take this one column, second column, and this matrix type example, because we are making the reference. So basically, there are the 9 boxes because we are making the matrices. And here I will write here, it is strength. These are the strength column. Strength or strengths. And this is weakness. Okay. We can also denote the strength or denote it by the S and by W. And similarly, we have strength and weakness here, then we have the opportunities and threats. So I put opportunities here. Opportunities. And I denote it by O. And then here I have threats. And I denote threats by capital T. I'm basically developing a SWOT matrix. So this quadrant or this portion, strength and opportunities portion, this is called strength. Row-wise and column-wise, you will see this is called the SO strategy. SO, strength, opportunities, strategies. And why we use these strategies, strength, opportunities, strategies? Basically, it use threats to take advantage of opportunity. Because we have been use threats to take advantage. Of opportunities. So that is called the strength opportunities, this area. And this area is weaknesses and opportunities. So you will see here we will make and develop the strategy. What kind of strategy? Strategy or strategies? That is called weakness opportunity strategy. And basically what this weakness opportunity strategies do, what is the purpose of weakness opportunity strategy in this column? Overcoming weaknesses by taking advantage of opportunity. The purpose of this here, overcoming weaknesses, I'll just write a W, by taking advantage of opportunities. So if you know the list of your strength, internal strength, external strength, similarly you have a list of weaknesses, so you will analyze And then you will come to this SWOT analysis, and you have to drive or develop a strategies, 10 opportunity strategies. Then the purpose is use threats to take advantage of threats strategy. Strength and threats. Similarly, you have here the weaknesses and threat. You will develop WT, weaknesses and threats, opportunities, and you will design that. You will use your strength to take advantage of opportunities. You can also use this. I think that is strength. Use strength to take advantage of opportunities. So I want to here give you the example of this SWOT analysis. For example, your employees are not satisfied with the work or your production history. Your employees are not happy with you. And this is internal weaknesses, we can say. Employees are not satisfied. This is internal weaknesses. And what is the external threat here? We will see the union, the labor union is so strong. If the labor union is so strong and employees already are not satisfied with the company and organization policy, so it means that you have internal weaknesses and you have external threats also here. Then you will make a strategy. So what kind of strategy you will make? So the strategy will be to overcome such kind of situations, to make a new benefit policies for the employees. It means to announce, to compensate the employees with more benefits and provide them good packages of salary and bonuses so that they can be satisfied, and where the threat of the union to do the strike in the company, to do the strike and stop the working and stop all the operation side will not be occur if you finally deduct this is the stage of the organization, and there are the weaknesses, the employees are not satisfied, and there is a strong union organization, and they are going to do this, then you develop and you announce a new compensation package for the employees. This is a new compensation package for the employees, is basically the strategies to overcome, that is a defensive strategy to overcome the external threat, and also you will start and also you will overcoming the weaknesses, because when you announcing such kind of compensation packages, of course, it's a happiness for employees of the labor, and they will start working with the high motivation, and they will be satisfied as well. So these are the strategies that you normally do to operate your organization as well, because every time there is a new challenges come. If you have any queries and questions, and you can email me, write me, WhatsApp me, and you can contact me. And you can, I will be very happy to satisfy you, and I will be very happy to answer your question as well according to the limited time. That's all for today. So pray for me too. Thank you so much for patient hearing, and thanks so much for the lectures. And you can contact me. Well, take care of yourself. Stay safe. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.